Our all-new drone cores are a perfect home for your drone. The new cases come in two different sizes, Mini and Pro. The Drone Core Mini is sized to fit popular drones like the DJI Mini series with RC2 controller and spare batteries. The size, dividers, and sleeves are all spec'd to be an efficient use of space, ensuring you don't waste any valuable room in the case or your backpack. The larger Drone Core Pro uses the same logic but is sized to fit the Mavic and Air Series DJI drones. It conveniently fits a Mavic drone RC Pro controller with a spare battery in the upper compartment, and an additional 2 batteries and a charger can be stored in the base. It really uses every bit of available space. The Drone Core Pro is also a perfect fit in the upper compartment of a Shimoda Action X40, X50, and X70 backpack. Just drop the case in the top and you can quickly access your drone without removing the case from the pack. Both models feature 2 transparent sleeves, ideal for filters and lens cloths. The interior one also has an airtight sleeve so you don't lose track of your case. Finally, both sizes come with a removable shoulder strap so you can easily carry them on their own for times when you want to go without a backpack. Drone cores are made with environmentally friendly materials. The BOA colorway uses a Cordura Recore recycled shell, also found in our Urban series. So if you're looking to match your urban kit, BOA is great for that. The black colorway uses the same durable nylon we use in our Action X and Explore series. Offering 2 textile options lets you choose the style that reflects your photography or other Shimoda gear. If you're looking for an efficient packing solution and lightweight protection for your drone, whether inside a backpack or out, our drone cores were built for you.